Hi, this is How To's. In this video we are going to see how you can remove unwanted spaces from a data in Excel. To do this, we are going to use trim function in Excel. This function helps us to clean the data, which sometimes also helps when using VLOOKUP or index. To understand trim, let's use the following example in the Excel, which shows the full names of few people. As you can see here, there are many unwanted spaces here. We will clean this using trim function. To use trim, type equal to trim and press tab, then select the cell from which you want to remove spaces and hit enter. Drag this to all the rows, and as you can see, your data has been cleaned. So this is how you can remove unwanted spaces from your data. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.